Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually vacationing for the first time in a very long time. Me and my husband actually just took a short little vacation to Laguna Beach. We are on the beach, so let me show you the scene right now, and I'll show you my room and stuff. It's a really old-fashioned on the beach kind of room, so I'll show you everything. So this is our balcony kind of view. Surfers are out. We just got here. It's still like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's so beautiful out here. It's so relaxing, quiet, and I love it so much. So I'll come back and show you some things around the room and around the hotel and things like that. We are back with another banger. Come on. Hey guys, so clearly I took like a little nap and we ate and everything. I went walking down the coast of Laguna Beach, but this view is bomb. Off my balcony. I love it so much. I'm gonna have to show you guys what my room is looking like. All right, let me turn this camera around. So here's my door to my room. It's like an old school kind of room. We've already been like asleep in the bed taking a nap, but this is what it looks like, and the windows for the ocean view, absolutely amazing. The windows go from here all the way around the whole back of the suites. I freaking love it. It's actually getting kind of chilly outside already with the sun going down. It is so beautiful. I needed this little vacation, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Me and my husband have been working so hard. I've been working so hard getting these wigs out. Look, that needs to be me down there running on the beach. I'm gonna go out and go on the beach tomorrow morning sometime, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning and what activities we decide to do. This is our first night here, so this is kind of like our relaxing night. So we'll see how things go from here on out, but so far I'm loving this view, this vibe. It's nice and quiet. I don't have kids with me. Y'all already know I have 3, so I'm about to get comfortable, watch a few movies, and relax today, and then tomorrow we're gonna start on some activities. So stay tuned. Dang, you guys, I wish y'all could see. There's like a dolphin or an orca or something like that out there in the water. Everybody's like standing and pointing. It's so beautiful. I wish I could like honestly live by the beach and just be in all of this, because everything is so calming and relaxing. People trying to surf on these little waves, y'all. I love it out here.
2 hours later.
Oh my god. All right, y'all, so night 1 was good, but night 2 ain't about to happen at this hotel, seeing as I just saw a mouse run across the floor from underneath my bed to behind the TV. I'm done. I'm out. We can't get a hold of the front desk, but I'm about to just walk up there and check out, and I'm gone because I can't do it anymore, y'all. You can't. I'm gonna come back once we leave because I can't be in this room no much longer. So we are at the JW Marriott. About to go check out our room. It's absolutely beautiful here. Whew, I'm gonna have to tell y'all the drama. I'm not staying at Laguna Riviera no more, I know that. Don't be trying to hide. New hotel. All right, you guys, so we had to switch hotels. So this is the room we got at the JW Marriott. This is the bathroom. Last minute hotel. This is the room. It is in Anaheim with the view of Disneyland. So you could probably see the rides of Disneyland right over there. So this is the room we're in after the mouse incident, you guys. So I'll give you the details in a minute, y'all. It's crazy. So my husband is super afraid of mice, which is why we had to go. All right, so this is what went down. Look, I'm not even put together. I'm all discombobulated. So my husband sleep, taking a nap in the middle of the day. We're just chilling, listening to the waves and the water at Laguna Riviera. And I hear a mouse like scratching against a paper bag that we got from a restaurant that we ordered food from. So I'm sitting there looking like, where's that sound coming from? I'm thinking like there's water dropping from somewhere. I'm thinking something's going on. So I look over my shoulder on the floor next to the nightstands. And as I'm looking, I see a mouse run across from underneath the nightstand to behind the refrigerator. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm looking around like, what do I do? I can't. We're not going to stay here. We got to get another room, something. So I wake my husband up and I tell him not to panic. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me let you know what's going on. There's a mouse in our room. So my husband was like, oh no, it's time to go. So I'm trying to figure out how we going to pack up this stuff and try to avoid the mouse behind the refrigerator and get out of here. So I'm calling the front desk. I called 2 times, 3 times. They don't even answer. I'm like, what is going on? Okay, forget it. We're just going to pack and we're just going to go straight up to the front desk and check out. So that was exactly what we did, you guys. We packed all our stuff up. We both kept an eye on the refrigerator, made sure that mouse did not come out. We got all of our stuff and we were out. Went to the front desk, told them that, there was a mouse in our room, so we're just checking out. Like, I don't want no other room. We just checking out. And he's just like all nonchalant about it. Like, oh, yeah, that happens sometimes. So, you know, that's fine. We can go ahead and check you out. And I'm looking like, that happens sometimes. No, that should have been a warning before I even booked my room. But it is what it is. We checked out of that hotel at Laguna Beach that was on the beach. That was beautiful. And now we're staying at the Marriott in Anaheim by Disneyland. So I'm fine. This room is amazing. It's great. Their customer service is A1 here. So I am ready to get down to the pool so I can go swimming and get into this bathtub so I can really relax for our last night of our vacation. So I'll show you guys some more video of the hotel and the pool area once we settle in and get down there. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we just left the hotel, about to go get something to eat because we are starving, and I'm ready to get back to the pool so I can swim before the night is up. Whew. Such a long day. I don't know what we about to eat over here. I haven't looked up anything. Don't be trying to hide. Hey, boo. So my husband's about to do his workout on the Peloton bike over here at the hotel. But you know, I'm not trying to work out. I'm trying to just get in the pool. So I'm gonna get in my pool, get in this pool. It is, what time is it? It's almost 8 o'clock and ain't nobody in the pool, and the pool doesn't close till 10. So since there's nobody in there, I might just stay in the pool until it closes tonight. So what we doing tonight, y'all? Hey guys, so I am back from my vacation with plenty and plenty of orders that I need to get out, but this vacation was definitely much needed. Me and my husband got a chance to do a lot of relaxing, laying down, napping, sleeping, eating in peace and quiet without our kids running around everywhere. But I am definitely going to be doing a Brazilian wax detailed video on how my first experience was before this trip, and I'm going to be trying to take more little vacations, especially in 2021, because this 2020 little mini vacation was actually really nice, seeing as there was not a lot of people out on vacation at all. There was nobody really at the hotels like that, as you guys can see in my pool video when I was about to swim. But that is pretty much it. I'm definitely going to be doing some more vlogs like this, letting you guys know what's going on with me and QBWigCollections. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.